In this video, we're going to be looking at tricep extensions. We can use a dumbbell or even a weights plate. This can be performed from a standing position or even a half kneeling position. Today, I'm performing it in a sitting position without back support on the bench. Double arm tricep extensions with a dumbbell to start. Grabbing the dumbbell in both hands, so I'm cupping the top bell of the dumbbell, bring it behind my head and simply extend. To perform a single arm variation, I just grab the dumbbell, bring it behind my head and just extend overhead. Showing the original movement with the plate. Just grabbing either side of a weight plate. From there, take it overhead. So the key to this exercise is not to flare the elbows too much. They don't have to be directly forwards, but in a comfortable position forwards facing. Drop it behind the head and extend. Making sure that we lock the elbows out at the top. It's quite common to see people pulling the plate forwards in front of the face. They don't have to do that. Aim to go upwards. It may come forward slightly, however, the aim is to extend the elbows, working the back of the arms, the triceps.